Everybody, Michael here from Get Fit Over 40. I've got my 2011 XU. She's pretty much done. Basically, the front sprocket I might change out just because it's from the original motor and it's kind of shimmed in there because it's the diameter of the bore is slightly too large for the bolt or for the nut that comes out there from the motor, the pinion or whatever you want to call it. But it's working. It's on there tight. I've used some, it's on there. So I'm pretty sure it'll hold up, but I do have something else coming that I'm probably going to swap out when it does get here. I did have to go with the original 420 chain and rear sprocket, which is a 61 tooth, because the gearing with the other setup that I had with the 428 chain and the 428 rear sprocket was just it was just way too much top end, not enough bottom. And I had it's like starting out in fourth gear. So I had to put this back on there, but it's working really good. I've even set up this spring tensioner here because there's no way for me to adjust this chain other than taking a link or a half link out. And sometimes that doesn't get you exactly where you need to be. So I've got this spring tensioner that tightens the tension on the bottom there where there's no load. And that keeps things tight so it doesn't fly off or, all of that. And it's working really good. It's nice and quiet now. It was kind of loud there before because things were hitting things they shouldn't be hitting with the chain. Now it's nice and quiet, as quiet as an electric chain or a chain is going to be without having all that motor noise. Yeah, everything's working really good. It's all back together, as you can see from the front. We're just going to turn on the gauge here. Actually, we'll come around this way. So everything's working. You got your gears. All right, so here's your gears. Second, got a little bit of glare going on there, but you can see all the gears work. Even reverse works, which is nice. You just hit the throttle a little bit and you go back slowly. All of my lighting and everything works. It's just go to the front, so you got the halo light. You turn the halo light off, turn it on, put the lights on. High beam, everything works perfectly. Turn signals. Oh, here comes my son. Turn signals, oh, wrong one. Turn signals, there we go. And you can see at the back here, my son's V8 S10. And you can see all the lights are working here, brake lights, everything works perfectly. Horn. And so yeah, maybe I'll include a little bit of a riding video at the end here, but she's working pretty good. I'm happy with the result. This thing's fun to ride. It's got plenty of power. It's not a wheelie machine, but it's got plenty of power. Gets you up to speed pretty quick. I haven't timed anything, but it's definitely fast enough, even with me at 200 pounds on it. So when my wife rides it, it's gonna be a missile. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Until next time, take care. All right, here we are. Official test ride. Well, I've done a couple, but I'm not going to do anything crazy because it's still got some things I got to keep an eye on, some bolts and stuff that I put together that I got to make sure stays together, doesn't slack off, that kind of thing, right? So, I did a lot of fabrication and stuff with that motor and how I mounted it. And so it's kind of important that I keep an eye on some of these bolts and screws and all that stuff, and all the stuff going on with my chain too, because a lot of custom stuff there as well that I had to do. It's not factory, so you never know, right? But let's take it for a little ride. I'm not gonna do too much here. Maybe I should get this going here. This is kind of cool. If I get this little app going, you might be able to see some of the stuff that's going on. So it's got the Fardriver app. Is it gonna click in here? I might have to restart it. Let's just restart it. Okay. So you'll see down here, I don't know if you can see that. It's probably too far away, but once that starts reading, then I can go to my graph. You won't really see it, but it gives me an idea of stuff that's going on, amp draw and all that kind of stuff, RPM, phase amps, all of those things. So here we go. Let me just get my turn signal. So we're doing 80K. Shouldn't take long. We'll just go around the block. Probably a lot of wind noise going on here. Get up to 100. 100K, no problem. Oh yeah, there we go. That snapped around. So I took regen off just because I didn't like the way it back pressured the chain. Made a little extra noise. Noise isn't good. All right, let's just get in behind this guy.
You can see it's got no problem off the line. It's not a wheeling machine, but it's plenty powerful. It's good enough. Well, it's more than good enough. As a commuter, it's ideal. Turn off the turn signal. It's got passing power when I need it, as long as I'm not, on the freeway, not so much, but I can do freeway speeds. I could even pass somebody if I need to. Yeah, we're doing about 66, 61. I've got the speedometer pretty much, it's pretty close to GPS. I had to make a couple of alterations in the settings, but I got her to match pretty good. We're gonna go here. Yeah, it goes fine. Turn here. Corners nicely. Handle's nice. Turn here. Yeah, she just goes. She just has lots of power anywhere you want it. Just out of a corner, just give it a little power and you're good to go. Brakes just fine. Again, I didn't turn off the regen because I just didn't think it needed it. And just she's working good. I'm gonna go by a school here, so I gotta be a little slow. At times I don't even know. I guess the speed limit is 30 kilometers. We'll drop her down. Don't want to be that guy. All the kids though is leaving. I love that you just don't have to worry about a clutch or downshifting or down, when you downshift into a corner with my Ducati. It's kind of fun blipping the throttle, but it's kind of nice. You just want to go for a ride and you don't have to think about it too much. You just do your thing. I probably shouldn't have come by the school. It's really busy right now. It's probably got to be 2:30, 3 o'clock. What time is it? I don't even know. It is what it is, I guess. Okay, we're going to turn right here. So no worrying about putting the clutch in. Totally silent. And we're off. Up to 60 in no time. Oh yeah, it's fun. There's nothing wrong with this. We'll do a little pass here once I get around this corner. Don't want to be passing in a corner. If I can, I will. Gotta be safe. Oh, lots of cars, but we'll wait till after this truck. You can see you got no problems passing. No problems at all. 70. This is the ideal commuter, and then some. Like I said, a lot of people with the stock version can't really do freeway too much. I think you can only do about 55 miles an hour on the original version on this one. This one will do like 75, 80 now, so we got some good speed. All right, we're gonna go back on the corner. Oh, it's fun. It's just a lot of fun. $105, no problem. All right, we got to bring her back home. Get a wheelie? Sure, I can pull it. I can get the wheel up, but I got to give it a bit of a yank. It works though. This is just, yeah, it is what it is. It's a lot of fun. I don't know how far we just went. Probably 3-4 miles, maybe. I don't know. And we're down to, well, it says 89% battery. I don't know how far we went. Probably might have gone 10 kilometers. Battery will recover a little bit. Probably come back up a bit. Yeah, it's already coming up to 90. But yeah, you know, I'm pretty sure I'll get a good 75 to 100 miles, whatever that is. You know, 100 kilometers easy, no problem. Maybe 125, 150. So yeah, that was fun. Hopefully you enjoyed this video.